Hi, this is Janelle Tan's vlog and welcome to my first ever vlog. Today, I'm going to show you my experience about my review of one of my favorite rejuvenating set. And I'm going to reveal on how this product helped me a lot about my facial skincare routine. And here's my whole process while I'm using this rejuvenating set and its result. So that you need to stay focused in this video till the end and to witness this rejuvenating product and its result. And please click on the subscribe button and don't forget to thumbs up so that you will always updated of every video that I'm going to upload.
I've been driving this train, years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, and I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right, in the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time, yeah, I move fast and climb a new class to find, yeah, true passion shines. And I'm through passing time, I choose stacking dimes. You snooze half the time while I move passing by. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say,